Do you want to know how you can invite your friends in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can invite your friends in Elsa Speak. So go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now what you need to do is go ahead and tap the profile option, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now tap on friends, scroll down, and you can see the invite friends now. And if you invite your friends to practice English together, they will get 1 month pro trial when registered. So go ahead and tap invite friends now, and it will open this link where you can just copy the link and send this link to others, or else you can share it via different social media apps such as Snapchat, Messenger, Facebook, Viber and WhatsApp. So you can share this link and you can invite your friends to learn English together. Doing this, they will get 1 month of pro version in Elsa Speak. I hope this video about how you can invite your friends in Elsa Speak was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.